Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Sangoku Soketsuden, Zhao Double Gundam, and Bilongqu. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, again, as you guys may not know, I'm going to collect all the SDs from this line, basically. Whatever. But yeah, let's go on review. So basically, this is the one of the members of the shoe area for the series, and my god, this guy has a lot of stuff in here, especially for a bigger box. And fortunately, yeah, if you see there in the box, you probably know that this kit requires a lot of detail work. Basically, I'll go on with the unboxing, but all right, basically, yeah, it's basically a double Gundam with a motorcycle, which, you know, I remember back in Sangoku, basically that they were instead of these bikes, they're actually horses, which kind of makes sense. But now the reboot series now turn these into like motorcycles. Whatever. I mean, it's not a huge deal for me. On the side here, basically you get the stuff you can do with Zhao. Yeah, but basically, okay, you get the weapons. Which, okay, if I remember correctly, these two are kind of based on the Seven Swords, Jin Sword 2's, the Jin Sword 2 long, Jin Sword short. So this looks very similar. So I could be wrong, but yeah. And basically the motorcycle, which is Bilongqu, or Bilong, I don't know how to say Bilongqu is my guess. On the side we have the backstory of Zhao himself, and then you can go to the website and, like, you know, look at more of these stuff, I guess. And it doesn't mention price. Again, I'm not too sure. I'll put a tag on the video of how much it costs. Alright, let me get my knife real quick. If I could get, oh god. There you go. And yeah, it's what a box. It's pretty new. Alright. Alright, let's open the box. First part, we got a sticker sheet, which is, yeah, mostly go on to the, okay, some go to motorcycle, some goes on to the Gundam. And yeah, I can tell right now there's a lot of detail work you feel in this guy. Like, when I saw like the reviews of other YouTubers about this kit, man, it's not as striking as, like, let's say, like the other kits. So even if you don't put in detail, it looks fine. But this guy looks really pretty. The colors are out of place, especially when you build a kit. So I will be. It doesn't matter to me because I'm painting it anyways. So yeah, it's not a huge thing for me. The red parts, basically you got the feet and the head, the eyes. That's a crotch, I believe. And then you got the armor parts, I guess, and it's tearing apart. Okay. And you got this is pretty big for a runner. Well, that's really big. Yeah, basically the parts for the motorcycle. You got the B part plate, which I'm not sure what those parts. I think. Oh wait, those are the, I guess the arms, the backpack arms for his gene drives. Oh, well, if you call them gene drives in this series. The A plate, which is the frame, and then the E plate, which is all the white parts. And yeah, you got the C plate, which are the gold parts, and then the the F plate, which is all the clear blue, which I will test on the back. I don't think it will glow in the back because I remember this blue is very similar to the Zhao Wing Gundam's clear parts, so I don't think it will glow, but I'll put an annotation to tell you guys if it glows in the backlight or not. And you know, please don't fall. There we go. Yeah, sorry guys, improvised the setup a little bit, so yeah. And yeah, the manual is a little bit thicker, yeah, especially for a kit like this, and I'm surprised the manual was small. Yeah, there's a comic, yeah, you guys can pause it where you want. I'll put a photo there, I guess, if you want to read that. And yeah, basically, this color on the SDS, that's, I usually won't see that on the Soketsuden kits, but it's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. And yeah, basically usual stuff like the assembly guide, which is usual stuff. So yeah, in the back you have the what a kit looks like straight out of the box. Painted in the backdrop flame again. Yeah, so that's what unboxing of the Zhao Double Gundam plus the motorcycle he comes with. Again, I don't know when I'll be doing this. I mean, I will get my Cosmo first, followed by these kits. So, or I'll go to the other one. Who knows? Yeah, I will get this guy buildings if as soon as I can and get the guy's review out of the way. So yeah, so guys, backdrop flying again. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for my videos. Peace out.